bring back our candidates for their introduction, starting off with female and male candidates number 2.
Introduction na.
Good evening, everyone. I am Virginia de Guzman, 52 years old.
Wow!
From Sanitang Elementary School from San Carlos City Division.
May bed talent portion na yun. Talent na yun. Ang aming talent portion na siya. Introduction ng...
Nagulat kayo, no? Akala niyo si Ethan nag-kinulap again, di ba? Nagkakapit kayo. Christopher de Guzman Pacasias, ang Mr. Besta ng San Carlos City Division. Thank you so much, male and female candidate number 2. Giving our exit as we welcome male and female candidates number 3.
Still evening Taylor students. This is Roberto Castillo Celeste Jr. from Manawag District representing Pangasinan Division 2.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, you're all welcome, male and female candidates number 4.
Ay, walang lalaki. Nagseksimot ni Madam.
Good evening. Angeline V. Soriano, Volume 2 District, representing STO Pangasinan 1.
Please welcome on stage, male and female candidate number 5.
To attend the vision, mission, and goals of educational
Educational
the school heads must exercise authority, responsibility, and accountability in all aspects. I'm Marie G. Cabang, IKQ. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, fellow vice fans. I am Julio Alef Antoli, representing Division of Ordaneta City. Good evening, fellow.
Thank you so much, male and female candidate number 5. We're moving on with male and female candidate number 6.
Naisang sangayan ni Rabi Itayani patak nga leaders. Tuyag tatagdan iti sa panan niyo ita ay isang principal court from STO Ilocosur, Barney Molina.
Good evening, everyone. Standing in front of you, Nathaniel Cabanit from Narvacan North District, representing Ilocosur Division 1, Ilocosur.
Alright, thank you so much, male and female candidate number 6. So we are moving on with male and female candidate number 8.
Good evening. I'm Remington Ragudos Ramago, proud to represent the whole, the 100 Islands, the STO, and the Minas City.
Hindi man kaputihan, hindi man kagwapuhan, bawing-bawi naman sa katanunuhan at kasipagan. Yan ang tatak ng pagiging school head. Ako po, si Abergene G. Domingo, Head Teacher 3 of San Jose Elementary School, proudly represent the home of the 100 Islands, STO Alameda City, with 100 reasons to serve. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. And now we are welcoming male and female candidate number 9.
There's a time and place for everything. And everything for its time and place. Gawis ay labing kakuan in. Good evening, everyone. I'm Sharon Henrique, representing Canal City Division.
Ito ang music na.
Kofi Annan once said, "You are never too young to lead and never too old to learn." Leadership knows no age. It thrives on vision, courage, and a commitment to inspire and grow with others. Florence Altez, 29 years of age, representing Canton City.
Next, male and female candidate number 9, moving on with male and female candidates. Number 10.
Good evening to each and everyone. I believe that life is a learning process. I am Maria Milagros Rimiendo Nono, representing Division of La Union.
Courage and determination bring success in every endeavor. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Brandon Michael Band, 42, Head Teacher 2, and I represent La Union Division.
Thank you so much, male and female candidate number 10. Moving on with male and female candidates number 11.
Tomorrow. So, dear school heads, let's enjoy the night and have fun. A pleasant evening to one and all. I'm Abigail Balabar from the city of San Fernando, La Union.
Laimbag na rabini kita kayo amin. I'm Dr. Darcy Ricky Labuan Amilano, proud, honored, and dignified to represent Mr. Pespa of San Fernando Division.
Thank you so much, male and female candidates number 11. Moving on with male and female candidate number 12.
From the place of Yummy Empanada and the home of great players, I'm Geraldine Oloa from the schools division of the city of Bataan. And I believe that as school leaders, our presence should be justified by our essence. And so, wherever life plants us, always bloom with grace, elegance, and persistence. And I thank you.
Isang maningning na gabi sa ating lahat. Kung maaari lamang, tumayo tayong lahat. John Rosero, proudly representing the Schools Division of the City of Bataan. At naniniwala ko sa mga pinagsasabi nila. Salamat.
Thank you so much, male and female candidate number 12, candidate number 13.
Of SDO Ilocos Norte.
Hooray! Yes, you're doing great. We are great. Because I am from SDO, I am great. I am Bonaparte Nino, officer in charge. Thank you.